Hello producer. Today I am going to show you how to install your Logic Pro sound library on external drive. Let's start our video now. Here you can see I already have connected my two external SSD, Curious and Samsung. First off, we have to open our Logic Pro. This is video for who want to save their internal storage drive. Now we only start simply. Now we have to click on Logic Pro, then Sound Library. In Sound Library you can see the option Relocate Sound Library. Here you can see where is my current sound library is located. Previously I have moved my sound library from Macintosh to my external drive Samsung SSD. But you have to, if you want to change your sound library from other storage drive, simply you have to click where you have to install. If you want to install in other drive, simply select that external drive and click on Relocate Library. Now you can see sound library has been successfully moved to new location. Click on OK. We have moved our sound library to Crucial drive. Here you can see our library folder have been moved up from Samsung to Crucial drive. You can see Logic sound library located here. Thank you.